Welcome back, everyone, to another captivating episode. Today, we're diving into the bizarre yet fascinating realm of travel, specifically, the essentials of navigating an airport. You know, every little interaction during travel feels like a little adventure, wouldn't you agree?
Wow, yeah. It's like boarding a spaceship or something, right? So what's the first thing we do when we get to the airport? Do we just teleport to our destination?
Haha, I wish it were that easy. But no, it all begins with the classic line you hear at check-in. May I see your passport and e-ticket, please? Imagine it like a rite of passage into the travel world.
Right. That moment when you dig through your bag, searching for your passport buried under a mountain of receipts and half-eaten snacks. It's a mini panic attack. What if I lost it?
Exactly. Once you finally hand it over, the next question is, can I have your name and booking reference, please? This is all about establishing your travel identity.
But wait, what's a booking reference? Is it like a secret code that unlocks your flight or something? Laughs.
Sort of. It's like your VIP pass to the travel party. Without it, you might as well be lost in the terminal. And then they'll ask, would you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
Ooh, a window seat lets you pretend you're a movie hero soaring through the clouds. But, what if you're claustrophobic? What do you do then?
Great question. In that case, I'd recommend the aisle seat. You can stretch your legs, and it's way easier to escape to the bathroom. Imagine having to hold it for an entire flight.
Ugh, that sounds terrible. So what's up with asking for a seat with extra legroom? Is that a luxury or a necessity?
It's both. If you're tall or just love extra space, it's crucial. Not every flight offers that for free, so you might have to shell out extras. It's like choosing between a tiny car and an SUV.
Ha. It's like deciding between squeezing in or having a full-on picnic. And what about when they hand you your boarding pass?
Ah, yes. When they say, here's your boarding pass, enjoy your flight, it feels like receiving a golden ticket. There's joy and anxiety all wrapped up in one little piece of paper.
Totally. That's like realizing you're at the wrong gate, right? It's like being at a party for the wrong movie premiere.
Exactly. And if you miss the boarding call, you better hope it's not a full flight, or you might be stuck waiting for a later plane. It's like the universe is working against you.
Wow. And, do you think those duty-free shops are like a secret treasure dungeon in airports? Laughs.
Absolutely. There's something enchanting about wandering those stores while resisting the urge to buy that overpriced souvenir. It's all part of the airport experience.
Hee. Yeah, like a treasure hunt, but in a shopping mall. So, what's the best strategy for handling checked baggage?
First, ask yourself, do I have any checked baggage? It's about managing what you can carry and staying under that weight limit. Kind of like trying to pack for a week-long vacation and realizing you only have room for one shoe.
Haha. And then when they say, please place your checked baggage on the scale, it's like a game show. Will it be within limits, or will you be hit with that extra fee?
Right? And the nerves kick in as you slowly approach the scale. Speaking of chaos, let's talk security lines. Do you ever wonder if everyone suddenly forgets how to take off their shoes?
Haha, yes. Like a spontaneous shoe fashion show. Or what about the laptops and electronics? Are they, like celebrities that need special treatment at the airport?
Exactly. Those electronics are like royalty that get the red carpet treatment for X-ray screening. You'd think they were just as vital as your passport.
Whoa! And when it's time to board, you hear, please wait for your group number to be called. It feels like waiting backstage at a concert. Laughs.
Oh, absolutely. You feel that electrifying anticipation in the air. And don't forget about all the food options. Are you more of a local fare fan? Or do the international flavors entice you?
Ooh, that's a hard choice. It's like a buffet of cultures just waiting to tempt your taste buds. Is there anything more delicious than airport food?
It's all about the adventure. Finding that one vegetarian option or snagging a local souvenir, that's what makes the journey unforgettable.
Wow, that's so true. I'm feeling the travel itch confusion mixed with excitement. I can't wait to try out all these little airport rituals one day.
And that's the beauty of it. Every trip is a new story just waiting to unfold. You have to embrace every little detail.
Wow, so, like, every airport is like a storybook? I love this perspective. Sigh.
Exactly. Next time, we should totally chat about those wild travel stories that happen along the way. You won't want to miss those.
Oh my gosh, yes, I can't wait.